This is my swimsuit top. We're gonna go to the beach. What is he doing? Anyways, we're going to the beach. We're going to the beach. The reason... What?
The reason I got it was because I wanted to strap it onto my dog.
Oh. Okay, but the quality looks different because I'm on Kiana's GoPro.
Yeah.
There will be a lot of clips on this GoPro.
Unfortunately.
Yes. I am
You
here
better
to
not
waste
drop it
her.
in the ocean.
I'm not gonna drop it, trust. You should have brought the chest strap thing.
I should have.
Anyway, see you at the beach.
I'll wear shoes.
This is very vibey.
I forgot how dramatic the beach is.
We're gonna go in the water right now. Take 2 actually going in the water because she had to Google whether or not it was waterproof. Found yeah? We Googled it.
We Googled it twice, but like...
Ew! I can taste the salt water. Come in! Not me! Get in!
Where it's nice and cozy.
Okay, wait, let's go down in the water. 3, head down. Well, I'm going down. Okay. I'm so scared my nose are gonna fall.
Wait.
Let's go. We're going back in.
Oh wait.
There's a big boat.
Big boat.
Anyway, let's go.
Wait, wouldn't that be wax? It's like Bay Belchy.
Yeah, but the one that you love eating. Okay, they're coming. Bro, my too short for hashtag Michael Phelps. Wait, be careful. Okay. Put the wrist strap on.
The next Olympic champion swimmer.
Guys, I'm treading.
Wait, that's a fat one.
Is that one a hater? Wait, I want the floaty. Give me that floaty. My nails are still on.
Nails. Wait, are you gonna
So no, I don't know. I just think there's a. Oh yeah. But that's gonna re-entering the water. But now it's really cool.
Anya, stop screaming!
Stop screaming! What? Yo. She's cold.
Thumbnail, you could do a photo of both of us underwater.
I'm good.
Like,
I'm good. Okay, I can literally just screenshot a part of the video though. So 3, 2, wait, peace sign or thumbs up or whatever you want. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What? Take it. Hold it. I think that's what. Nails are still intact. Nail check. Still intact. Yeah. Anyways. Guys, we've been so out of touch. Wait, I'll do the camera. Take 2. Guys, we've been so out of Okay. We finished swimming and we're on lounge chairs now. We're eating lunch. Spam masubis. This one is.
My mom said it was bacon.
This one is spam, egg, and avocado and bacon. There's also another one that's instead of the bacon it's eel, but I'm eating this one first. Mukbang. Tastes like chicken. Wait, let me show y'all.
That's pro.
So grub. Let's.
Oh my gosh, that's so bad.
Let's mukbang.
Pro photography.
You cannot tell me that does not look bust. Let's grub.
This is my pro photography skills.
Grub. Bye. Round 2, we're going back in. Oh, this one I took off. I thought another nail.
Bro, you were like,
Feel the skin.
We're going to an ABC store because Anya
Okay.
like.
Here's the recap. We are currently going to an ABC store. We're gonna get a nail clipper, a set of band-aids that are hopefully waterproof, and I look-y want to see if there's any snacks. So that's Urban Outfitters, but
Use the restroom.
yeah, we're going. We're back at the beach to watch the sunset. We've changed, give a little fit check.
Yeah, I look like I just woke up from bed.
And then I'm gonna dress. Per usual. But yo, wait, it actually eats. The lighting is so good right now. Wait, I can control from my phone. Oh yeah. There's so many people.
rotate you in a counterclockwise direction by sliding to your right until it is your turn to parasail. When it is your turn to parasail, stay seated until you are called up.
得很快，对天爱觉得很慢。然后我们热待10分钟。在 jingle all the ways.
Oh, what fun it is to ride ourselves this way. There probably are, but I don't know if there are any here. Ah, that's so peaceful.
Really? 还要收了吗？
Yeah. We're going down.
We are done. We are done. 在干嘛 Why are we going so slow? This is how we navigate. Hi.
We're going.
Oh no, I'm okay.
What are we doing right now?
I have no idea. Snorkeling.
We're snorkeling. We're gonna go snorkeling.
This shit looks so stupid.
We all look stupid, but we're
There's
going
no point. The
snorkeling.
water's like so shallow. There's like.
Okay, let's go. The water is right there. Okay, let's go.
Oh yeah.
We're going to Foodland for poking my nail.
What you've been craving. I gotta eat my veggies.
course she's not buying.
Well, I'm not. I'm being studious.
Bust it up.
Why do you have so many bug bites on your table?
Quiet. Let me mukbang.
You just ate this last night, bro. Why are you eating it again?
Anyway. Bust a nut.
Hey, that's not nice.
The sun is gone. Fire. Oh. Hit the dab.
Smash that like button and hit that subscribe button and press that notification bell to see when we upload new videos.